you got there, Alcina?
It's an L.O.L surprise hair glue.
L.O.L surprise hairgoals. Wow, that looks awesome.
So let's open it.
Yeah, let's open. I love your cool hat.
You have one too.
I know, I got one too. You bought me a hat, didn't you, honey?
Yeah, 2 of them.
You're super awesome.
I think we got a pink.
So what do you got in there?
We got a pink one.
Wow, check out all the surprises in there. There's heaps of them. Oh wow, she looks like a mermaid.
Yeah,
Wow,
look.
that's her. Her Majesty.
Yeah. That's,
Wow,
I
she's
told-
beautiful.
I told you they had real hair.
Yeah, they do have real hair. Oh my god.
They have this jelly bottom.
That's gorgeous.
Take it off.
Oh, that's not the actual costume. I thought she was a mermaid. But she's not.
Look.
Wow.
Now
So let's see what else she's got there.
that's Tiara.
You got a crown? What else has she got? She's got some cool red shoes.
Boots.
Boots. Necklace?
No.
Yeah, isn't it?
No.
What is it?
It's not. Look at her outfit.
What is it?
Wow.
Wow, her suit looks like Wonder Woman. Oh my gosh, it looks awesome, huh?
Okay. We have more.
Gotta put a crown on. Her Majesty.
The crown doesn't. Okay, just leave the crown. Let's get the other ones.
Her Majesty.
We got.
Wow, she's so cute. Her Majesty's really cute. Okay. What else have they got, honey?
Okay, they have 2 more.
You got more? More surprises coming?
Ooh, a brush. A brush.
Oh, you got to brush a comb to brush your hair. Beautiful.
And her bottle. Her bottle. Her bottle. Her bottle. That's her bottle.
It says pop on it.
Okay. So you can put this gorgeous. You can put this gorgeous.
Is that it? You're done? And that
Take all her stuff off.
you can take it off, yeah, and put the white suit, isn't it? The one that looks like to me looks like a mermaid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, it's a Halloween costume.
It's a Halloween costume.
You
Okay.
can put her back. Wait, put the suit first. Put the suit first. She did it. She did like this because you do know what's the doll.
So what Halloween costume is that one?
It's like some.
Looks like a mermaid to me.
No, it looks.
And this one looks like a shell. Like it looks like a shell, hun.
No, it's a hair.
It's a what?
It's a face.
It's a face?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
So it's like blue, but hair.
Oh wow. Does it fit in there?
Yeah.
She actually fits in that mold. Wow.
Go, go, go.
Amazing. Wow.
And
Show me hair this way. Oh wow, that's amazing.
no, that's wrong. Wait. You can take off. It's a
Oh, you
hairspray.
got more. You didn't realize it.
Oh my god.
Wow. What's in there? Another surprise you forgot about.
Oh.
Wow, what's that?
It's just
Ah, it's a chain.
and hair. It's a hairspray.
And hair. Oh well, that's a hairspray. So it's actually a hairspray bottle.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
And that's the lid.
Put this
Oh.
here. Take her out.
You can put her on top,
Ah. Okay.
can't you?
Wait, is she blushing? Yeah, she's blushing. And oh, we need her shoes. We need her shoes. Near her shoes.
Wow, she looks awesome.
Yeah.
Totally awesome.
She will not come off.
Yeah. So, Alcina, what do you give her out of 10, hon?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? So it was a lot of fun?
Can you help me put this on?
The chain?
Yeah.
So you've got your chain and then you can carry it around as well.
Yeah.
You see how cool that is?
Yeah.
So you gave it a 10 out of 10 and you said it's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And what do you want people to do? Give you a
A thumbs up and subscribe
subscribe to my channel.
to my
Thank you.
channel. Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye.